Hey everyone, today we're going to tie up a October Caddis and we're going to put a DAIICHI in size 6 in the vise. And this hook is amazing. It's super strong, but yet it's super light. Because this is a topwater fly, that'll be perfect. Let's dress the hook in UTC 70 denier in black. And we'll go to the point of the hook. Next, we will do our Veevus PO1 in size medium. It's our hotspot and our whip. We'll just tie this on and go back towards the point of the hook. And we will tie in some of our ice dubbing in rusty brown. Now when adding the dubbing to the fly, we'll just make it as sparse as we can because it is a topwater fly. We don't want it to be super bulky to drag down the fly. Just take your time with it and make a nice slender body. So let's go up towards the eye of the hook with dubbing. Once you're happy with it, we will start making our hotspot at the end of the fly with our oval tinsel. Then we will go up the body in segmentation and open spiral wraps. Then we'll tie off the tinsel. Next, we will add our Malard Flank in gold. We'll do a couple strands on each side of the fly. And we'll make sure that the feathers extend past the bend of the hook. We'll go each side. And we'll tie this off. We'll get some tan foam and cut a V wedge in it and tie it on right behind the mallard. And you want this wedge to be a little big because it will be pushing water and also be helping float the fly. So if you think it's too big, then it's perfect size. So we'll tie this off, then we'll trim our foam. And this next step, I like to burn the end, make it rounded, and also add like a burned tip just for color and just for personal preference, but this step you could skip. Next we'll use some Imitation jungle cod eyes right by the mallard. We'll tie in each side of the fly. And once you're happy with it, right behind the eyes, we're going to add in our spinning Cow Elk in yellow. Do 2 soft wraps and then pull up. It'll make a perfect head for your fly. And then just tie it off so it's not going to go anywhere. I then add a little bit more of the ice dubbing right between the foam and the head of the elk hair. And I go behind the hook and in front of the foam. Then you finish your fly however you want. I do a couple whip finishes, but you can do whatever you need to do to finish your fly. And then add my UV resin. You could add head cement, Sally's Hard as Nails, whatever you prefer. I use Loon UV resin. And there you have it. You have a October Caddis Skater. And it's a great pattern to fish and to tie. Thanks for watching.